morning, crew. My name is Anne. I am captain of the Pirate Ninjas over at withoutboxes.com. Today is day 8 of the Life on My Terms challenge. That means we had an entire week together, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. I know it can be frustrating or annoying or embarrassing to try to upload a little video about yourself, but I really appreciate it, and I'm hoping that you're actually gaining something from participating. So anyways, yesterday my mini goals were to continue to eat properly and then work out and then lay out a plan for my marketing stuff. So I was able to get really specific and create a detailed plan for my marketing, so that was on track. My food situation ended up being really weird. I didn't eat very much yesterday, and then after I ate, I realized that it had stuff I shouldn't have eaten. So I'm just gonna hope that it all balances out somehow. I did work out, and so that was yesterday. Today, I'm going to start doing my marketing goal. So part 1 is to create the framework for the first version of my free themes. So there's that, and then I already exercised. It's probably why I'm really red in the face right now. And yeah, marketing, eating right, exercising. My glasses are falling off. So yeah, looking forward to see where you're at for the beginning of week 2. Feel free to tell me if there's anything I can do for you guys to make this challenge a little bit easier to participate in. I'm working on building a resources page for everyone's learning goals, so I've tried to find some, for example, some Photoshop tutorials, some marketing resources, some sign language videos and stuff. So if you want to comment down below the links that you've been using for your tutorials and stuff, I can add those to the resource page. That way we can all share if we're interested in getting into each other's learning skills eventually at some point, or just whatever. So looking forward to